Welcome. Today we present to you a review of a different device dedicated to gaming, as we present a review of asus ROG Ally. It runs on Windows 11, which is the latest operating system, and has very powerful specifications with controllers that help you get a distinctive gaming experience, in addition to the distinctive processor screen and enjoyable audio experience. As for specifications, the device comes with an AMD Ryzen Z1 processor made in collaboration between AMD and asus. It works on a 4nm manufacturing architecture, with 6 cores, and its maximum frequency reaches 4.9 GHz. In addition to an RDNA 3 graphics processor with 4 GB RAM. The device also supports up to 16 GB LPDDR5 RAM at speeds of up to 6,400 MHz, with 512 GB SSD storage space, reaching transfer speeds of 4.5 Gbps, with super-fast Wi-Fi 6.0, with the possibility of installing an SD card. The phone features a powerful cooling system consisting of 2 fans with a power of up to 30 watt with. A system called Zero Gravity allows the cooling system to work efficiently in all situations. There is more than one cooling mode, including silent and turbo mode, which you can choose from based on your use. The cooling system is protected against dust with a filter located on the ventilation openings. With a filter, you can install a mobile graphics card available from asus. The device runs on the Windows 11 operating system, so you can use the device as a laptop or computer normally by connecting a mouse and keyboard, and you can also connect it to an external monitor. The device also features controllers similar to Xbox devices, which come from very excellent materials and manufacturing materials. In addition to 2 triggers right and left, you can customize them as you want to use them in games. This, in addition to haptic feedback, provides very strong performance and greatly improves the gaming experience, and the device supports a gyroscope. The weight of the device is 608 grams, which is not considered light, but it is suitable for a device with these powerful specifications, and placing the device in the hand is convenient and not annoying at all despite its weight. The device's 7-inch IPS LCD screen comes with full HD++ resolution with 16:9 dimensions, supports sRGB color generation, supports a 120 Hz refresh rate that you can control, and a brightness of up to 500 lumens. The screen supports a Corning Gorilla Glass Victus protection layer, and there is also an anti-reflective Gorilla layer so you can use the device under sunlight without disturbance. You can download games to the device through Xbox, Steam Game Pass, or download games directly for Windows. Asus provides a dedicated application for Armoury Crate SE games, which enables you to access all the games on the device directly without the need to open other applications or access Windows files. The device comes with a 40-watt battery that can provide up to 45 minutes of continuous play. The battery point is not considered a feature of the device, and the battery supports 65-watt fast charging so you can fully charge the battery in just 30 minutes. If you finished the video until the end, thank you very much. Just like that, the video is finished. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share.